Jim,
Heather.
Travis.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to convince you to visit your local coffee shop, DT's. DT's is a local coffee shop located in downtown Spruce Pine, North Carolina. In this presentation, I'm going to show you that DT's is better than Starbucks. I'm going to provide evidence and give support, and hopefully by the end of this presentation convince you of my opinion as well. There are many reasons as to why local businesses, including DT's, are better than chain restaurants and businesses like Starbucks. 1, higher quality ingredients. 2, more menu options and daily specials. And 3, a welcoming atmosphere and engaging staff members. The first reason is higher quality ingredients. In a recent interview with the DT's manager, Katie Bonaminio, conducted on April 29, 2022, DT's purchases much of their produce from local sources. They provide these products and are provided with these products from local farmers and vendors. In addition, their coffee beans are locally roasted in Asheville, North Carolina. The second reason that DT's is better than Starbucks is because it has a much larger menu with options for everyone, including dietary and allergic restrictions. For example, DT's has coffee, specialty drinks, frozen lattes, smoothies, and other sweet treats. On their website, dtsblueridgenc.com, under the menu tab, their full food menu can be located and viewed for anyone. In addition, DT's has 2 specific menu items on special daily and has 2 or 3 soup specials as well. Besides the delicious food and drink, when you walk into DT's, you are immediately greeted by the welcoming staff with a smile. DT's has a welcoming and homey atmosphere for any occasion, whether it be breakfast, lunch, or coffee. No matter the time of day or occasion, be sure to stop by and support your local coffee business, DT's. Thank you.